All right, so after trimming with a blade this extra squished seal
for almost 15 minutes. Oh, finally, yes.
Oh, it moves, thank God. All right, put the drain pan back. Holy Jesus.
This is gonna make a mess, and I know it.
We like messes. Scoot it a little bit more towards you, just a fucking RCH. Ooh.
Move that camera.
Oh, no.
It's gonna splash.
No, well, it's like...
Oh, maybe not.
That doesn't look horrible other than it's dirty.
No, it's, I mean,
I can see light through it still. So
yeah.
We're good there.
It's not real bad, it's not.
How's the flavor? Nope. Easy.
I mean, I don't smell anything out of whack. I'm not smelling grease.
Fuel.
I'm not smelling fuel.
Water.
Doesn't seem bad.
Smell-o-vision, baby.
They used to have that back in the 1950s for movies.
Or they'd spray the scent in the theater.
The scent in the theater of the car or food or whatever it was. It actually was really popular for like 3 days.
Yeah.
And then gone.
That sounds like it'd get expensive.
Yeah. But picture watching like a horror movie where some guy just lobbed off someone's body part or something.
It smells like cut up steak.
Yeah, exactly.
Ooh. That was fun. Neither one of us pooed there, so we're good there. Okay, so drain this. Oh, that ain't bad at all. Let it drain. And then we'll drain the water too.
Any idea on how to get that fuel filter or the oil filter off?
Oh, we'll get it. Especially when we get the fuel pump off, we'll have more room.
Okay.
So we'll get it.
Well, it's a hard line that's been curved and pushed in.
Yeah, I know. I looked at it prior because I was going to change just the pump, and then I found more. That's why we have the pump here already.
Yeah, today's been rough. Don't know why. It just has.
Well, you get stuff like, oh my God, what the hell?
But those days feel like they're more than normal lately.
It's because every car we get's got a lot of things wrong with it because most people don't know how to fix it.
Yesterday was kind of rough. We spoke on that, so
yeah.
I don't want to rehash it, but it's just going to take me a little bit to make the adjustments and get used to things. And
we're cranking. Okay, so oil's draining.
And we're going to let this drain for a minute, like completely.
Yeah.
So if you wanted, I've already got the metal line disconnected.
Yes, sir.
Which if you want to, let me get some light up in there.
Put some light on the subject. Oh!
I've already got everything technically disconnected.
All right, yeah, so...
sprayed everything down because it was completely covered in oil.
Is there just one more bolt, or is it stuck?
Well, the metal line itself needs to be pulled out.
That's what's binding us?
Yes, that's what's binding us.
Oh, motherfucker. Not you, just in general.
Well, I've fucked a few mothers in my time.
Oh, God. Ooh, gas in my armpit. Okay, I got it.
Okay, so now there's just one screw on the opposite side, and we're done.
I thought you said the screw.
No, I said the only thing that's holding it up to get to the screw is...
Oh, damn it, Scotty.
Yeah.
I thought you said it was already out.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Bleep this.
Censored. Leaky. We already know that.
And I'm gonna recommend, because these are soaked in oil.
Yeah, sway bar bushings.
Yep. And they're not super expensive. They're a couple of seconds to undo if you wanna.
Yeah, they're very simple.
Yeah, I mean, they're right there. It's not a big deal. Because the end links were done.
Yeah.
Which...
are nice.
No, they're not.
Oh, no.
Look what the...
Yeah, somebody
They're
didn't know
not even the right end links.
Somebody didn't know what they're doing. That's normal. Needs a larger spacer in between. That's what it is.
Actually, it's supposed to be like that.
Because I would always run as long a spacer as possible to bring the bar up.
Oh, yeah, of course, because it gives you better stability. You know, you're taking care of your front end. But this one, they don't even have the right one on there.
No, they're like ugga-dugga down.
Yeah.
Oh, my. Oh, my, oh, my, oh, my. All right.
So we'll look into fixing that issue.
I'll get with Joey here later today.
And have him see what he thinks.
Excuse
Totally
me.
up to him. And
Yeah.
of course, it's always up to the customer. We just bring to them what we see.
Yeah, we just supply news,
Yeah.
whether it's
Not
good,
always
bad, or
good,
indifferent.
but, yeah. Lately, it seems like everything that's been rolling in, oh, well, it just needs a tune-up and an air filter. Okay, great. We get underneath there to do whatever, and it's like, you need way more than what you want.
Yeah, and that's a thing, is maintenance.
Yeah, and I mean, I get it. I mean, working on a lot of these cars, as long as many decades as I have. Oh, God, me saying multiple decades doing something.
Hey, Scotty, did you know you're old?
Did you want to make it to reach your 40s?
It's only a couple months away. I really don't care at this point. We
Well, I
can...
got to get the insurance out on you first before I can off you.
Oh, now it's on video, so you can't do that.
Oh, no.
All right. If you're thinking about that radiator hose, that's already been discussed, and that's on our list.
Okay.
The hose itself is fine. It's the clamp up top, and we need to trim it and redo it because it's not done right. Surprise! Something's not done right on a car.
Well, it's the wrong hose.
Well, it's just not trimmed because they're trimmed to fit, and they just wedged it in there instead of trimming it.
If you look at this,
Oh, God.
if you trim the top and you pull it up,
Yeah, it's hitting.
What's gonna happen?
It's hitting on that alternator bracket.
yeah, it's going to hit even more.
Yeah, we'll just get him one. It's easier.
Because,
It's got to all come out anyway, so we'll get it. What?
here, do this.
Oh, I hear it. Are we
Push on that spot with your thumb, so this way you can keep clean hands. Go further into the bar.
Yeah.
That's getting squishy. Like
Yeah.
oily soaked, it needs to be replaced.
Yep. Well, we'll get one. That's an easy one.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let me get this uploaded so I can start sending it to Joey.
Oh, yeah, the rubber's breaking down.
Lovely. Yep, more stuff. Fun.